1988 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 5-liter 305 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC as we take a look at this front fascia. This car does have a prior salvage title from Colorado. Consignor wanted us to announce that. We've priced it accordingly. We've also inspected it in our back shop. And you can check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. You can always call 507-386-1726, riding on the correct IROC-Z wheels. The paint, car has a little over 97,000 miles on it. Paint shows its age a little bit. There's a touch up here or there. So paint is not perfect, but it's one of those. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Top down. Does have cloth bucket seats, black and gray two-tone combo. Of course, these convertibles were converted at ASC for General Motors or Chevrolet and then sold at the dealerships. Will also come like a dust cover for your garage when it's in storage. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Always remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it due to time or distance and you want somebody to take a look at this car for you. Feel free to have a third-party inspector look at it. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken. There'll be over 120 pictures of this car online, as well as the driving video, so you can kind of see what it's like to go down the road, bird's eye view, and these walk around videos. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Stock interior, and really free of any major rips, tears, or holes that I've come up with. I guess what you'd expect from well taken care of interior, and with this kind of miles on the car. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. The top is manual. We're going to put that up here at the end of the video and give you a look at that before we do the driving video. Let's check it out. There's the exact miles, 97,972, so 97,972. Gauge is all working, tack. Fuel, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. And then we also have an oil pressure over here. Radio does work, AM, FM.
Like engagements, really.
Dash appear to be cracked, sun faded. Whoops. Slip around so you can hear it run. We're going to take a look at the engine bay here quick too. Guess what you'd expect? Nothing crazy as far as exhaust goes. A little bit of recent service work done in this car. Did have a coolant flush. Obviously new coolant added then. And temp sensor also done. So we're up here at the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and then we'll take a look at the top. There you get a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So TPI or tune port injection, 5-liter. Power steering, brakes, and AC. Smooth runner, sounds good, looks good. Let's go ahead and get that top up. We'll check that out and do the driving video. And convertible top up. Black fabric top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. And one person can put these up. It's quite simple. Hold, first of all, hit the switch that's on the center console. That will pop up that tonneau cover in the back where the top is stored underneath, and then it's just folded up, put the tonneau cover back down and fold down the back of the top. Notice there's one small, real small hole, you can barely see it. If you need it to keep you dry or maybe just out of the sun, this top will serve its purpose. One little small spot right there too, so make you aware of those. But if you have a convertible, let's be realistic. How much you can have the top up. And then I did put the side glass windows up too, so you can see how that fit. Doesn't look too bad. And then the driver's side glass here, a little better look at that. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z convertible. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1988 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible. Nice red exterior, black and kind of a charcoal on the inside. This is an automatic on the center console. Our turn signals both work. Our gauges are appearing to function. Factory tachometer. Battery gauge showing 14 volts. Temperature approaching approximately 140, still warming up. Fuel gauge at 3/4. Factory radio working well. Blower motor also works. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays straight in the lane. Cruise control is working well. I do have the top down. It's a great day to drive around with the top down today. Brakes are working well. Factory bucket seats, cloth bucket seats are comfortable. Corners well, hardly leans at all in the corner. Good acceleration. Kick down is working good in that transmission. Lots of pictures to look at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check them out.